You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce those two words in English. They have the exact same pronunciations. They are homophones. Obviously, they have a different meaning, but they are pronounced exactly the same way. To learn more English, make sure to stay tuned. You've found the right channel. I'll link to many more useful videos to learn more English at the end. The top word here is pronounced and. And this is a conjunction to link up different words. And, as in, I like chocolate and vanilla ice cream. And the bottom word marks when something finishes. The end, as in the end of a movie. Both words again have the same pronunciation. How to pronounce in English and. And now you know. Was this any useful? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.